Animals give many benefits to humans. Many people interact with animals both at home and away from home in their daily lives. Animals provide food, fiber, entertainment, travel, sports, companionship, and education for people on Earth. Millions of households in the United States have one or more pets. We can have fun with animals in the city or countryside, while traveling, visiting animal exhibitions, or outdoors. However, animals can sometimes carry harmful microbes that can spread to humans and cause disease. This is called zoonotic disease or zoonoses. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about the animals that cause diseases in humans. But before starting the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's get started. Zoonotic diseases are caused by harmful microbes such as viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi. These microbes can cause a variety of diseases in humans and animals, from mild to severe and even fatal. Depending on the zoonotic disease, animals can sometimes recover even if they carry germs that can make people sick. Zoonotic diseases are common in the United States and around the world. According to scientists, more than 6 out of 10 infectious diseases in humans can be spread from animals, and 3 out of 4 new or emerging infectious diseases in humans come from animals. That's why the CDC works 24 hours a day to protect people in the United States and around the world from zoonotic diseases. How do germs spread between animals and people? Because of the close relationship between humans and animals, it is important to know the common ways humans can be infected by microbes that can cause zoonotic diseases. This can include direct contact, indirect contact, vectors, food, and water. Direct contact. Zoonotic disease is caused due to contact with saliva, blood, urine, feces, or other body fluids of infected animals. Examples include petting or touching, biting or scratching animals. Indirect contact. Zoonotic disease is also caused due to contact with areas where animals live and roam, or objects or surfaces contaminated with germs. Examples include aquarium tank water, animal habitats, chicken coops, barns, plants and soil, as well as pet food and water bowls. Vector-borne. Vector-borne diseases are human illnesses caused by parasites, viruses, and bacteria that are transmitted by vectors. Every year, there are more than 700,000 deaths from diseases such as malaria, dengue, schistosomiasis, human African trypanosomiasis, leishmaniasis, Chagas disease, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis, and onchocerciasis. The burden of these diseases is highest in tropical and subtropical areas, and they disproportionately affect the poorest populations. Since 2014, major outbreaks of dengue, malaria, chikungunya, yellow fever, and Zika have afflicted populations, claimed lives, and overwhelmed health systems in many countries. Other diseases such as chikungunya, leishmaniasis, and lymphatic filariasis cause chronic suffering, lifelong morbidity, disability, and occasional stigmatization. Foodborne. Every year, 1 in 6 Americans get sick from eating contaminated food. Eating or drinking dangerous foods such as unpasteurized, raw milk, raw meat or eggs, or raw fruits and vegetables contaminated with feces from infected animals. Contaminated food can cause illness in humans and animals, including pets. Waterborne. Waterborne diseases are the ones caused by pathogenic microbes spread via contaminated water. Transmission of these pathogens occurs while using infected water for drinking, food preparation, and washing clothes, among others. Many developing countries do not have proper water treatment plants, especially in the rural areas. In some places, the availability of water is so scarce that people have neither the time nor the money to afford the water purifiers or other water treatment mechanisms. Majority of waterborne diseases worldwide mainly affect children due to poor hygiene and weak immunity. Most of these diseases are life-threatening. The knowledge of the different types of waterborne diseases has come to the forefront with the advent of globalization over the past few decades. Several pathogenic microorganisms which were previously unknown have become the focus of major research in this field. Who is at a higher risk of serious illness from zoonotic diseases? Anyone can get zoonotic diseases, including healthy people. However, some people are at greater risk than others and should take steps to protect themselves or their family members. These people are sicker than others and die from various diseases. This group includes children under 5 years old, people over 65 years old, people with weakened immune systems, and pregnant women. Zoonotic diseases can spread to humans through any contact with domestic, farm, or wild animals. Markets selling wild animal meat or byproducts are at greater risk due to the high prevalence of new or undocumented pathogens known to exist in some wild animals. Agricultural workers in areas with heavy antibiotic use for farm animals may be at greater risk of developing pathogens resistant to current antimicrobials. People who live in areas adjacent to the desert or in semi-urban areas with a large number of wild animals are at risk of animal diseases such as rats, foxes, or raccoons. Urbanization and habitat destruction increase the risk of zoonotic diseases by increasing contact between humans and wildlife. Prevention and control. Zoonotic disease prevention strategies are different for each pathogen. However, some practices are recognized as effective in reducing risk at the community and individual level. Safe and appropriate animal care practices in agriculture help reduce the possibility of zoonotic disease transmission through foods such as meat, eggs, milk, or certain vegetables. Clean drinking water and waste disposal standards, as well as protecting surface water in the natural environment, are also important and effective. Educational campaigns to encourage hand washing after contact with animals and other behavioral modifications can reduce the spread of zoonotic diseases in the community. Antimicrobial resistance is a complicating factor in the control and prevention of zoonoses. The use of antibiotics in farm animals is widespread and increases the number of drug-resistant strains of zoonotic pathogens that can quickly spread to animals and humans. WHO response. WHO works with national governments, academia, non-governmental and philanthropic organizations, regional and international partners to prevent and manage zoonotic threats and health, social, and economic impacts. These efforts include developing intersectoral collaborations at the human-animal environment interface between various relevant sectors at the regional, national, and international levels. WHO also works to develop practical, evidence-based, and cost-effective tools and mechanisms for the prevention, control, and detection of zoonoses through reporting, epidemiological and laboratory analysis, risk assessment, and surveillance, and assist countries in their implementation. As part of the One Health approach, the World Health Organization is working with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, and the Organization for Animal Health, OIE, in the Global Early Warning System for Major Animal Diseases. This joint system is based on the added value of combining and coordinating the warning mechanisms of the three organizations for early warning, prevention, and control of the threat of animal diseases, including zoonoses, through information sharing and risk assessment. Everyone should know how to protect themselves from the dangers and spread of wildlife diseases and reduce the risk of spreading diseases to other people or animals. That's all from today's video. Please let us know your opinion about the video in the comments section. And don't forget to like and share the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive our daily new video notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.